Morning folks, so it's the 10th of May 2026. I had to re-pot a couple of olive trees that were growing in these here pots here. They've become seriously pot bound. That's the trouble when you grow things in pots. You do have to upgrade every few years if they're growing well. We have these small olive trees growing in here. Lovely little things. I do like an olive tree. Gets you that Mediterranean look, doesn't it? Never get any olives off them, but that's not the point. But look, they got pot bound. Normally in a pot you can actually probably tease the plant out, but this one's got these weird lip system on it, so I couldn't get the plant out without tearing it apart, so I've had to cut down the sides with a Stanley knife carefully. If you have to do this, be careful because you don't want to cut yourself. But I'm going to try and repair these pots because I went down the shop and got a couple of bigger pots which actually weren't very expensive. They were roundish ones, but they had these ones in there. They're like 20 quid each or something like that. So I thought, well, we could probably repair these and repurpose them. Only plastic ones, I know. Terracotta ones are probably better, but I do find those crack after a few years. I know plastic doesn't last that long either, but anyway, that's not what we're talking about today. We can debate that another time, but it'd be good to repurpose them and use them for another plant instead of chucking them out and just adding to the landfill of plastic, the terrible plastic landfill. We can actually do a bit of a repair job on these, I think. Anyway, we'll see. I'm going to basically stitch them back together. It's not going to be seamless, but it won't be too bad. You can always face that area away from the visible eyes of her indoors or whoever is scrutinising you. So yeah, we're going to stitch those together and then we can reuse it again for a different plant. I'm going to use the good old plastic cable ties. I suppose you could use wire, I suppose, but thin wire, but I've only got that thick wire, so I'm just using what's available. I had a packet of black cable ties, so I'm just going to drill a series of holes. I don't need that many, and we'll stitch it back together and see what it looks like, and I'll come back to you in a minute and show you. So I'll see you in a minute in the next instalment of this sort of highly exciting repair. I'm in raptures. Anyway, sorry about that. I'll come back in a minute. Alright, there we go then, guys. Look, seems to be pretty successful actually. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cable ties holding each side in place. I did it so you can't see the fastener bit that's in the inside part of the pot. So yeah, there we go. Doesn't really show holding, does it really? So that's a pretty good result really. You can reuse the pot now for something else. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. That's not a bad result. So folks, there we go. 10 cable ties. That comes to about 50 pence because I can buy over 30. I can buy was it 30 cable ties for £1. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. Have a good weekend, folks. Over and out. Bye.